I bet many people agree that white t-shirt is one of the basic yet classic clothing pieces. So here are some of the ways to wear a white t-shirt and look chic. First, a pair of sweatpants. The t-shirt here is taking the role to make the sweatpants still look casual yet chic. Add a color to the all red and white outfit by wearing a brown bag. Next, blazer and shorts. Blazer is preppy, shorts are casual. Together they're pretty, chic yet casual. Instead of poem, a bow always gives a sweet touch to an outfit. Shoes take a big role here. Keep it sweet with a pair of flats, or stay that the look is relaxed with some sneakers, or even sandals. Third look, vintage skirt. Make it clear that it's vintage with another vintage piece, an old backpack for example. Now, a quick tip on how to tuck in a t-shirt to be fitted, and sort of looking like a crop top from the front. The white top and sneakers create a clean, modern look, balancing out the vintage bag and skirt to still looking stylish. Next, add a tank top and a skirt. A tank top as an outer gives a cute effect to the casual t-shirt. Small handbag trend is here, giving some extra cutest points, especially when you swing it in your hand. Keep it fun with some sneakers. You can do this combination to tone down even your formal skirts. A classic skirt. A black pleated skirt. For a black and white outfit, give a pop of red on the lips. And some gold from the bags, chains and necklaces for some extra elegance. Sixth, a pastel dress. Here I make the sleeveless dress looking modest with t-shirt. I'm doing pastel and pastel game here. Last look, all white. Here I tried to pull off a more formal look. A monochrome outfit is a way to get an instant chicness. And then I tone it up with some shades of gold and beige. Stacks of pearls are not so extra when they're white on white. And there we have it, 7 ways to wear a white t-shirt and look chic. Thanks for watching. Love, Grace, Maron.